Now, hopefully, you'll be able to see that the rain is actually coming in 2 different directions. From the left and the right. Ooh. Yeah, baby, yeah! Bring it on, sweetness.
Oh my God!
That was right there on the other side of the
Street.
highway. No, it was right there by the highway is where it was. I hope I got that on film. Yeah, baby, yeah.
Holy shit.
I wonder if Maddie believes we actually watch the weather now.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm
I'm pausing this and I'm going on the radar for real quick.
yeah.